Alright, in this video we're going to talk about a real quick example of similarity and then go over a couple examples of scale factor. So here we're just asking, are these two figures similar or are they not similar? Notice they're two triangles and we're given two angle measures for both of them. I know it's a little bit blurry, but they're both 60. This is 60. This is 60. By default, the third angle must also be 60 because a triangle adds up to 180 degrees. 60 here, 60 here, therefore this is also 60. That alone in triangles, if all your angles are the same and the sides are different lengths, we definitely will have similar triangles. So these two triangles, given that all three angles are the same, are similar. The ratio of similarity, well, we can compare it 1 to 3. 1 to 3, the larger triangle is bigger by a scale of 3, but if you think of it the other way, if you go this way, the second triangle is smaller by a scale of 1/3. But yes, indeed, these are similar triangles. All three angle measures are the same for each angle of the triangle. Now let's talk about scale factor. Scale factor, we referenced it a little bit in the previous example. So we're starting with this quadrilateral, and then it has a dilate, what we call a dilation, and in this case it appears to shrink, so we call that a reduction. And we're asking what is the scale factor? Scale factor is easy to compute. Take the second measurement and divide it by the first measurement, and that will tell you the scale factor. Looks like we only have a 9 and a 12 to compare. Alright, so think of it as 9 over 12. That certainly can reduce to 3/4. And if we wanted to write that as a decimal, 0.75. Scale factor is 0.75 or 3/4. The first quadrilateral reduces to 3/4 of its original size. Alright, let's look at one more here. What is the length? Okay, so we have a line segment, AB, 24 inches. A dilation with a scale factor of 3/5 is applied. That's our scale factor. What is the length of the image? Alright, since the scale factor was less than 1, we know we will have a reduction. It reduces in size. It gets smaller. To figure out exactly how much it gets smaller, what the new measurement is, you take 24 times the scale factor, 24 times 3/5, and that comes out to, let's use our calculator here, 24 times 3 and then divide by 5, 14.4. So the new length of this line segment is 14.4. It is shrunk by a factor of 3/5. It is in fact smaller. It is a reduction in our new measurement, 14.4 inches. Thank you for watching.